And your 6 years gets over when?
June 2016.
Okay, so you're okay.
Granddaughter November ki expire.
21 or 18?
21. November.
Okay. Okay, but you passed the citizenship test, so you can speak good English also, not just employment based. One couple more maybe. Yeah, there's a couple with. Okay, so we'll have to figure out what. For you, Aaron, he said that he filed an I-130 for his daughter, who's child by November, so he wants to know if there are other backup for her.
An expert. So if somebody approaches us, we say Murthy cannot.
And we'd love to hear what you're experiencing, because
Sure.
I mean, I think.
I'm a citizen and my wife is a green card holder, and we applied for a renewal.
American, I know your mother and father won't be happy unless she's Indian American or Hindu or whatever, right? Or Indian of your. Every single attorney at the Murthy law firm, is personally interviewed by me. We are honored and delighted to be able to talk to you and to tell you, students who are very nervous and concerned, and family members who are concerned from the two universities, Silicon Valley University and Northwest Polytechnic University, NPU, that the Telugu Association of North America, or TANA, along with Murthy Law Firm, is going to be working closely to understand the exact nature of the problem, both legally and factually, how we can address these concerns so that we can intercept and solve the problem. Our goal is to understand the nature of the problem, analyze it, and try to figure out a solution, because we have been previously successful working with TANA very successfully in both the University of Northern Virginia, UNVA, and TVU, Tri-Valley University in the West Coast. We're working with the Indian Embassy, with Mr. Arun Kumar Singh, who was then the DCM, the Deputy Chief of Mission, who fortunately now is the Indian Ambassador to the United States, who has been extremely supportive of students and their concerns in solving these problems. The Indian government wants to support you. You have a great friend and fighter and protector in TANA that has been very, very loyal and supportive. And with the Murthy Law Firm and with the legal community joining together, we will fight for justice and demand our rights and do what is right.
గత 24 to 48 అవర్స్ టైం నుంచి ఇక్కడ ఎస్ఎఫ్ఓలోను మరియు ఐఐడిలో అలాగే కొన్ని ఎయిర్పోర్ట్స్లో ఇక్కడ మన ఎన్పియు అండ్ సిలికాన్ వ్యాలీ రెండు యూనివర్సిటీలకు వచ్చే స్టూడెంట్స్ని అక్కడ చెప్పకుండా అప్పటికప్పుడే వీసాలో రిజెక్ట్ చేసి బ్యాక్ పంపిస్తున్నారు. అక్కడ ఇండియాలో కూడా పేరెంట్స్ చాలా ఆందోళన పడుతున్నారు. దానికి గతంలో కూడా ఇంతకుముందు మన ట్రైబల్ ఇన్సిడెంట్లో కాళ్ళకి బేడీలు వేసిన సంఘటనలు ఉన్నాయి. అప్పుడు కూడా మూర్తి లా ఫర్మ్తో కలిసి తానా అప్పుడు ఉన్న డీసీఎం అరుణ్ కుమార్ సింగ్తో వర్క్ చేయడం జరిగింది. అలాగే నార్థన్ వర్జీనియా యూనివర్సిటీని కూడా మూతపడకుండా ఒక 3 ఏళ్ల పాటు మనం సేవ్ చేయగలిగాం. ఇప్పుడు కూడా వీఆర్ అవేర్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ ఇష్యూ. వీ విల్ క్లోజ్లీ వర్క్ విత్ హోమ్లాండ్ సెక్యూరిటీ అండ్ USCIS and also with the Indian Embassy. Thank you so much for doing all the good work, Mr. Murthy.